So when coming up with lifestyle design orthopedics, I realized that it's not a one-size-fits-all for patients. Different people look for different things at different times. So it's not always the right time for a patient to undergo surgery. Sometimes they might want to get an operation or consider a non-operative treatment. So lifestyle design orthopedics allows you to make the decisions at your time and what's best for you. And we're here to cater to that. While training locally here at Northwestern for residency and fellowship, I understood what patients are experiencing when they come to one of the big city hospitals. And when I joined, I wanted to be able to bring that experience here locally to the Schaumburg area. Living in Chicago, there's multiple options for orthopedic surgeons, but we would like to create a concierge orthopedic experience for you here, minutes away from downtown. Lifestyle design orthopedics allows you to reimagine your experience, whether you're a young individual in your 40s looking to get back to the weekend warrior sports, or whether you're in your 60s or your 70s and you're just looking to be able to go out and play golf or take a walk with your spouse. Lifestyle Design Orthopedics empowers you to take your diagnosis, understand the treatment options available for you, and make the right decision for you at the right time. Here in our Schaumburg office, you have the ability to see me as your surgeon, you have the ability to get your x-rays and your MRI if necessary, the ability to do physical therapy, and to have surgery here at our surgery center. We will cater to your desires and provide the best possible experience close to home.